Today, we'll be checking out a versatile compact Apollo camera. Available in two models, the 5-megapixel BF5H and the 8-megapixel BF8H, it is designed for wireless indoor capabilities and compatible with solar panels for outdoor surveillance. First, let's look at the new packaging with the WITHS logo. WITHS wireless cameras include the Hero, Pico, and Apollo series. Apollo cameras are wireless cameras with built-in batteries that support solar panel charging for remote or off-grid environments. The camera is built for versatility, making it easy to use both indoors and outdoors. Its 6,000 mAh built-in battery and PIR mode support wire-free placement, simple relocation, and efficient motion detection. The Type-C charging port ensures quick, hassle-free charging, while compatibility with a solar panel and AOV mode enables continuous year-round operation. Together, these features make it a reliable solution for a wide range of monitoring needs. The camera offers 1 to 8 times digital tracking, using human and vehicle detection to zoom in and follow targets like a PTZ camera. Its AOV mode enables ultra-low power 24/7 monitoring, recording at 1 frame per second when idle and 15 frames per second when motion is detected, ensuring no recording loss, longer detection range, and reduced power consumption. The magnetic mount enables quick tool-free installation. Just securely twist the camera onto the base and adjust the angle freely. The strong magnet keeps the camera stable on interior or exterior metal surfaces, making repositioning effortless. Additional features include AI human and vehicle detection, IP66 weather resistance, two-way talk, and sound and light alarm. For more information about our products and solutions, you can visit the links below or contact your local Dahua retailer. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a smarter society and better living.